Welcome to the Classifudophiles kitchen. On a very popular demand today, I'm making some of my go-to breakfast recipes. I love all of these recipes. These are very quick, nutritious and very easy. So let's get started. For the first recipe, we are making some blueberry pancakes. अब आप ये normal flour से भी बना सकते हो, but I'm using some oats. Oats को सबसे पहले हम roast करेंगे. मैं इसे ड्राई रोस्ट कर रही हूँ और फिर इसे मैं पीस के ओट फ्लावर बनाऊंगी. मार्केट में ओट फ्लावर डायरेक्टली भी मिलता है, बट घर पे भी बना सकते हो. अब हमारे ओट्स रोस्ट हो चुके हैं, तो मैं इसको एक प्लेट में निकाल रही हूँ. मैं यूजुअली ये बल्क में करके रखती हूँ सो दैट मुझे पैनकेक्स बनाने वक्त इतना टाइम ना लगे. अब जब ये ठंडे होंगे तो मैं इसको पीस लूँगी इनटू फाइन पाउडर. मैं आज बनाना ब्लूबेरी ओट्स पैनकेक बना रही हूँ. इसमें मैं एक बनाना डालूँगी. ये बनाना राइप है तो इसको मैं मैश कर लूँगी. If you want, you can skip this step as well of putting bananas, but I like my pancakes like this. बहुत soft और gooey से pancakes बनते हैं. तो I have used one banana. You can accordingly proportion it. अगर आपको 4 लोगों के लिए बनाने हैं तो आप 2 bananas use कर सकते हो. Usually 1 banana is enough for 2 people. Now for adding some protein, I'm using 2 eggs. If you're a vegetarian, you can simply replace it with some yogurt or curd. 2 eggs की जगह half cup curd should be fine. But this will add some protein into your breakfast, so I recommend eggs. Now for sweetness, I'm using desi khand. आप stevia, normal sugar, jaggery कुछ भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. अगर आपको shortcut चाहिए तो just simply add all of these ingredients into a mixer and सबको blend कर लो. For some extra flavor, I'm using vanilla essence. This is again skippable, but if you have it, it's good to have. चलो हमारे oats ठंडे हो चुके हैं. अब इनको grind कर लेते हैं and then फिर इसे pancakes बनाएंगे. I'm approximately using 1 cup of oats. इससे 2 बंदों के लिए 3-4 pancakes बन जाएंगे. अगर आप जिम फ्री को या फिर आप प्रोटीन पाउडर यूज़ करते हो तो यू कैन ऑल्सो ऐड सम प्रोटीन पाउडर टू इट. Now at this stage you can add some baking powder. I'm using half teaspoon and I'll also add some fresh blueberries to it. Chalo, our batter is ready. Now let's make some pancakes. I'm going to top up my pancakes with some fresh banana slices. Lots of banana slices. I'll use some butter. Then we'll add our pancake mixture. Give it a nice round shape. When you see ऐसे bubbles develop हो रहे हैं, it's time to turn it. Now you can add some maple syrup over it. I like lots of maple syrup. Or you can even add some whipped cream. I'm going to add lots of bananas. I don't have strawberries today, but I love strawberries with my fresh pancakes. But we'll definitely add some fresh blueberries to it. No more Monday blues, only blueberry blues. Moving to the next recipe, we are making a fruit smoothie. Now there are a lot of smoothies, but my go-to recipe is I'll add some bananas, strawberries and cinnamon powder into yogurt and blend it all. A lot of people also have green smoothies, purple smoothies and whatnot, but I'm not much of a fan. I'll share my go-to recipe and that's like the easiest one. I can guarantee you that you'll like this smoothie. It's the basic and the tastiest. I'm going to use some Greek yogurt. आप घर पे बनी hung curd भी use कर सकते हो, but this is a quick solution. I'm making smoothie for 2 people here, so I'll use approximately 150 grams of yogurt, 2 bananas, मैंने ये बनानास फ्रीज़र में रखे थे तो ये थोड़े थोड़े ठंडे हैं. Since my bananas are too ripe, I don't think I need an additional sweetener. But if you like extra sweet, then you can add some sugar, honey, maple syrup or any sweetener of your choice. Second fruit, I'm using some raspberries and frozen strawberries. Oops. Sorry. उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा सा ऐड कर रही हूँ cinnamon powder. I love cinnamon powder. बहुत अच्छा सा टेस्ट आता है cinnamon powder से. You can also make banana and apple smoothie with cinnamon powder. वो भी बहुत yum taste करती है. Now let's get blending. चलो जी, स्मूदी हो गई है रेडी. See, now you can enjoy your smoothie as it is or make it a nice smoothie bowl. I'm going to top up my smoothie bowl with some fresh and ripe mangoes. इसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ी सी blueberries and a lot of mixed seeds and nuts. I also like to put some chocos, so हम थोड़े से डालेंगे इसमें chocos. Now last but not the least, I'm going to put some fresh coconut malai over it. सिर्फ मैंगो वाले पार्ट पे डालूंगी. I don't like to mix it with chocos. This is the best part about my smoothie. Mango, coconut, strawberry. It's a fruit. For the third recipe of the day, we are making some scrambled eggs. Again, very easy and very quick. All we need are some eggs, milk, butter, garlic, salt and chili flakes. चलो, we'll chop some garlic first. अगर आपको इतनी मेहनत नहीं करनी garlic peeling and chopping की, तो you can also use some dried garlic powder. It's quick and equally tasty. अब eggs prepare कर लेते हैं. I'm using 4 eggs. Now to make some fluffy scrambled eggs, you need milk. It's the secret ingredient. We are going to whisk it nicely. Some butter, our freshly chopped garlic, some salt. I'm adding some chili flakes to it. You can also use some black pepper. Now let's give it a final whisk. For making perfect scrambled eggs, you need to ensure that you don't cook them on high flame. The flame needs to be at medium low speed. We ready to cook our eggs? अब जैसे कि आपको दिख रहा होगा कि अंडे थोड़े थोड़े पकने शुरू हो गए, तो हम इनको ऐसे तोड़ देंगे and we'll start scrambling them. चलो गाइज, मुझे अपने एग्स थोड़े गीले गीले पसंद है. आई डोंट लाइक टू ओवर कुक देम. दे आर ऑलमोस्ट रेडी, सो आई एम गोइंग टू प्लेट देम. I'm going to garnish them with some coriander stems, but fresh parsley tastes the best. Pancakes तो हम बनते ही खा गए थे, but now I'm going to enjoy these eggs and smoothie. I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, do comment, subscribe and hit that bell icon. जल्दी से इंडियन ब्रेकफास्ट रेसिपीज भी आने वाली हैं soon.